For a long time, I thought waking up early meant I had to be perfect. 5 a.m., workout, green juice, cold shower, journal, meditate, all before 7 a.m. And every single morning, I failed, so I quit. And then I found something that actually works. I used to scroll for 30 minutes before even getting out of bed. I'd feel guilty before the day even started. Rush to get dressed, skip breakfast, already stressed. Sound familiar? That wasn't laziness. That was burnout disguised as a bad habit. I stopped copying other people's routines and asked myself, what do I actually need in the morning? Turns out, I needed quiet. Just 10 minutes of silence before the world got loud. No phone, no noise, just me, sitting with a cup of coffee, breathing. Now my morning looks like this. I wake up, no specific time, just when my body is ready. I make coffee slowly, like it's a ritual. I write 3 sentences in my journal, not pages, just 3. What I'm grateful for, what I'm worried about, what I want to feel today. That's it. 10 minutes, done. And here's what changed. I stopped dreading mornings. I started my days feeling in control instead of already behind. My anxiety dropped. My focus got sharper. Not because I became a different person, but because I finally stopped fighting myself every single morning. You don't need a 5 a.m. wake up. You don't need a green smoothie. You don't need an ice bath. You need a morning that feels like yours. Small, calm, intentional. That's the routine nobody talks about because it's not glamorous enough to go viral. But it's the one that actually sticks. Try it tomorrow. Just 10 minutes. No pressure. And tell me how it goes.